Bro. Rise up, Dad.
Irvin, you look adorable. No, Bubby.
Oh my god! The award for the most dramatic cat goes to...
Now this is my kitten Tulip, and she's also about to fall asleep.
Are you alright? Are you okay?
He doesn't leave me alone. He keeps biting me.
What are you doing? No, no, you're too young.
Oh, she's scared.
Okay, what's your issue?